In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight the critical path in the Gantt chart in Microsoft Project. Understanding the critical path is essential because it tells you which tasks directly control your project's finish date. If any of those critical tasks slip, your entire project slips. Let's make them easy to see right on the Gantt chart. First, make sure you're working in the Gantt chart view. On the ribbon, go to the View tab and choose Gantt chart. This is the standard timeline view with task names on the left and bars on the right. If you're already seeing the familiar bars across a calendar timescale, you're in the right place. Next, turn on critical tasks formatting so those key tasks instantly stand out. On the ribbon, go to Gantt chart format, or in some versions, simply format. Look for the option labeled critical tasks and check it. The bars for critical tasks will immediately change color, typically to red, making the critical path visually pop against the rest of your schedule. By definition, these are tasks with zero slack or float, meaning there's no room for delay without moving the project end date. Even a one-day slip on any of these tasks usually pushes the whole project out. If you prefer not to recolor the bars but still want the critical items to stand out, use the highlight option. On the View tab, find Highlight. In newer versions, it may appear as a drop-down. Choose Critical. You'll see the critical tasks become visually emphasized, often with a yellow highlight across their rows, while non-critical tasks remain subdued. This is great when you want a quick focus without changing your bar styles, and it works well in meetings or reviews where you want to toggle emphasis on and off. Finally, if you need to focus exclusively on those tasks that drive the finish date, apply a filter. On the View tab, select Filter and choose Critical. This hides non-critical tasks and leaves only the critical ones visible, giving you a clean, concise view of what must stay on track. It's especially useful for status updates and risk reviews where clarity is key. A few quick tips as you work. The critical path updates dynamically as you adjust dates, dependencies, or calendars, so what's critical today may change tomorrow. If you don't see the expected coloring or highlighting, confirm you're in the standard Gantt chart view and that tasks are properly linked so the schedule logic is clear. That's it. 3 simple ways to spotlight the tasks that truly determine your finish date, right within the Gantt chart.